you search for How to buy shares of Borussia Dortmund GmbH Co. Kommanditgesellschaft auf Aktien. This is the corporate entity behind the Dortmund Football Club, listed on Xetra under the ticker BVB.de. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy the shares, you need a broker account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your balance. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BVB.de to find the listing. Select the result that matches Borussia Dortmund GmbH Co. Kommanditgesellschaft auf Aktien to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart so you can confirm the listing. Double-check the name, mark it Xetra, and ticker BVB.de before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the platform will schedule or execute according to its rules. And if you don't have enough funds, it will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link used in this video, see the description below.